Hello, if you want to enable sleep apnea monitoring on your Apple Watch Series 10, then first of all you will have to grab your iPhone and open a watch application. Now go into the My Watch and start scrolling until you find a sleep application. There is the alphabetic order, so we can actually quickly scroll down and open it. And as you can see, when we are here, we have to enable this track sleep with Apple Watch, and also we have to charge your device before you go to sleep. And now we have to click to set up notifications and health. We are gonna set up the sleep apnea monitoring. So now as you can see, we've got this information that Apple Watch can look for breathing disturbance and notify us if it actually identifies signs of sleep apnea. So click to set it up, then tap next. We have to select this option, like if you are under or above 18 years old. I'm actually above. Have you ever been diagnosed with sleep apnea? Nope. Click continue, and here short information how it actually works. So basically Apple Watch tracks our breathing while we are asleep and records any disturbance over a 30-day period. There we go. Now we can click next, then click done, and as you can see, it is finished. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.